Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here in Knoxville at Ultramarine and BassBoatElectronics.com, and we are starting to rig the 921, man. This is the new boat for the year, and that's all the gear that we're going to install. When I say we, it's mostly Jason here, the wizard, and everybody else here at BBE. But anyways, we're tweaking things just a little bit, not a ton this year. You know, we've really come up with a system as far as the different types of sonar technology and the different brands that I think is what we would consider the ultimate. But there's always room for improvement. I think that Jason has some really cool things, coming down the pipeline here. So I'm going to let Jason kind of break down what we're doing for this year.
So luckily at the console, we're going to have a HTS 12 Pro that just came out from Lowrance. Really excited about that. It's actually not even all the technology that's going to make this thing cool out yet, but to give you a sneak peek, basically Lowrance is going to have full synchronization. So all your live sonar, all your transducers on the boat are going to talk to one another and synchronize up. So that's the way everything's going, no interference. We're going to have a Helix 12 SI at the console on the left side with a live, an HDS Pro 12. And on the front, we're going to have a Helix 12 DI, another Pro 12, and an 8612 XSV, best 12-inch graph you can buy, paired up with the LVS 34, and of course the 360. You're going to be
I'm really excited about this. So the cool thing is, there's a couple cool things. First off, we've got a better mounting option for the 360 this year. What is it? Transducer
saver makes a really robust mount that we're gonna go with.
Cool. And putting the pros on here, I'm really excited about that. And also, I've been running a Solix for the last few years, but I'm really excited about getting back to the Helixes. The Lowrance units are the core of my system. Those are the ones that I use for waypoint management, most of my side scan and down imaging and things like that. I primarily use the Helixes or the Humminbirds for mapping. So the Helixes just have a easier, more simplistic interface. I don't need the touch screen. So I think that's going to be a really, really good trade-off there. So I'm excited about that. Looks like Jason already installed the Tour Pro on the front. Very good job. Round of applause for him. And so I mean, I'm sure that as we go, we're going to figure out all kinds of little tweaks that we can make to this. But I think that what he's planning on doing is going to be pretty killer for this rigging, this boat this year. Also, we've got the Battleborn batteries that we're going to install. I think we're going to do the same battery type system. Is that correct?
Yeah, we're pretty much going to do the same battery setup. So we'll probably take all the plastic trays out. We'll end up doing a triple aluminum tray to maximize space over there, and we'll probably do a dual aluminum tray.
I think last year we did two duals
separate,
and then a single over here.
Yeah,
and that allowed us to keep the spare prop and the pumps.
Yeah, I think the pumps were located a little bit different location. These are already rigged from the factory, but we probably would have moved them over just a hair out of the way, but we'll figure that out.
Can we re-rig them, you think?
Oh yeah, we can. Okay. We can maximize it once we get those trays in there. See how it fits in.
Gotcha.
Line it up. One thing I want to show you, Miles.
Okay.
We're blowing out our old Garmin products. Now the new ones have new mapping preloaded.
Oh, cool.
With your Garmin Navionics. So that's a pretty cool deal. New mapping, new SKUs. So we're gonna deck that one out in the boat.
I'm a Navionics guy. Oh.
Yeah, mapping's.
Look what we just got on the deck of the boat. All the Bass Boat Technologies mounts.
Hot off the press.
Yeah, so we have a dual shroud mount from the Phoenix factory here, which by itself works really good. But man, you want to make it really bomber for those big water tournaments. The Bass Boat Technology mount that goes onto this just really makes it a lot more beefy. For sure.
Yeah, this is your whole console setup right here.
Yeah, and they custom designed this
Yeah, this one's gonna be for. This is the wrong boat. This is
Okay.
for.
I was gonna say, didn't quite look right, but yeah, this is for the Camus. We got my buddy Taylor Watkins over here. What's up, man?
What's happening?
He brings all the goods.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're gonna stay pretty busy. I'm jealous that Taylor's already got his wrap on and everything. He's gonna be ready to go. I still got to do the wrap and all that, but well, anyways, guys, that is what we've got going on today as far as rigging. It's gonna be real exciting to dig into this thing and get it done, but there's a lot of work ahead to get this thing ready. So I'm gonna sign off here, but if you guys have any questions about the rig this year and what we're doing, drop a comment below. And obviously, if you have any questions or comments, use that comment section as well. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna see you out on the water.